Okay. Okay, so this is like our third video we have had to do, and we're adding Lucy to Play-Doh. Want to say anything?
What?
Want to say anything?
She added way too much.
Oh, yeah.
So right now my brother's sleeping. Our brother.
I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. I guess I added way too much.
Yeah, way too much. Oh, right now we're in my room.
My room.
My...
No, your room. I was going to say something about my room.
She has bunk bed because she has to share with her younger brother since I'm older.
No, you aren't. Oh, yes, you are.
I'm in 4th, she's in 3rd.
We're both 9, just.
I'm older by a grade.
And you're older by
I go to
15 months.
Kiski.
I do too. And my hands
It's
are
the best school ever. Literally, it's so giant. The upper elementary is so big. I'm scared. What if I get lost? Well, you'll know your way because you'll. But you're a weird person, and you always find ways.
No, because our older sister, that's 13. So annoying. We have so many rooms. Well, a younger brother, you, me, her, me, not you guys.
Our older sister.
Our older sister that's 13 and a young, and
So we have
5-year-old.
2 siblings.
No, we don't. What the heck? Jessica, an older sibling, a baby brother, and a younger brother. And you. And me.
You're the 3rd youngest. So right now I just got this blue, navy blue slime out. Oh, comment below what is your favorite color and what is your TikTok username?
Our favorite colors are
Red.
navy blue.
Mine's red. Oh, all types of red. My backup one is black, and my backup one is blue. And my backup one is green. My backup is yellow. My backup is orange. And backup, whatever backup I'm on, please tell me in the comments, is purple, then pink.
I hate purple.
Yeah, that's why they're at the last one.
Oh. Yeah, but you still like them. I automatically hate them.
Yeah, but you...
Okay, so ours...
Oh, indigo is so pretty, though. Like, give me some.
Oh.
So at the end, we're going to do a reveal, and we're going to play some hockey with this.
Why? No, with your kinetic sand.
And with this. And then I have these pictures at the end once I wash my hands.
Whenever our mom gets out of the shower.
Yeah, but I have these pictures that our stepdad made, and oh my gosh, he's literally stood in 2 lightning storms, and he took pictures of it. He stood 2 sunsets, took pictures. What's the other one?
Okay, after
3 sunsets.
Kaylee, all the purple that was in this is gone.
No, 2 sunsets, and can I feel that? Wow. 2 sunsets and pretty sky. Okay, so this is now done.
You have more. We have more than 3 pictures.
Who does green?
I did.
Next time to do the bad ones. It's just yellow. You can't.
It feels like cement. Or rubber.
Cement.
Keely, this feels so nice.
Keely, I want you to. You know my name is Kylie. I keep calling you.
My name is Keely.
But you keep calling me Kylie.
I'm supposed to call you Kylie.
Can you do this one?
What do you want? Oh, to fix it.
Yeah. I hope this works. This one's like rock hard. I don't know how I'm supposed to mix it. How do I mix it?
our friends, Kaylee H, which is my name, but we have a friend, Kaylee, and she called Kaylee M, the teacher's pet at daycare.
Kylie.
I said she.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna do a surprise with this stuff, I think. Do you want to do that? The
Surprise.
reveal of this? Because this is really hard. Okay,
Only
guys.
fix it.
Actually,
Also,
this yellow
also,
one isn't gonna work
guys,
for us.
we're gonna be giving these out. That was fake, but I felt one coming.
Fake or real? I'm a master.
Now we can tell that was fake. Because you said I'm a master.
Oh no, my allergies. Did you think those were real?
No. I know they are. We're both allergic to cats.
But we even have them. She went to go pick her nose.
Kaylee, no, I didn't.
She has Play-Doh on her nose, but she got it off because she was trying to rub her nose and she was itchy and itchy. Excuse me? This purple one, get out.
Okay, guys, I'm back
Leave
from the
that to you.
bathroom. I feel my allergies. Oh, I held it in.
You could get a migraine.
I held it in so it was a little quiet. But
You could get a migraine.
that was weird.
Should we guess if it's fake or real? Should we guess if it's fake or real?
Yeah, comment down below.
I think it was fake. Well, thinking of it, I think it's real.
And if you think that, I think yours is fake. But
Can we
thinking
chop
of
you
it,
off with Play-Doh scissors?
can you have a boo-boo? Keely, that hurt. I mean, oh my gosh. Ow.
I threw the scissors at her.
Yeah, it went in my eye. Oh.
Mimi, you're sure mine, baby. When I'm on the road, you are sure mine.
Oopsies, I didn't know you were done with that. I didn't know you were done with that.
Now I have to mix it because of you. And seriously,
You have to make sure it makes this good squeaking noise.
if you put too much in.
Yeah, if you put too much, you're supposed to. It made this one feel really nice. Oh, I'm actually fixing up your potatoes. I said your potatoes. And like, you gotta let them sit for like 2 minutes. This one's getting hard again. This one's getting hard. This one's getting hard. You know what? Let's put them back in their bins whenever we're done.
That one's fine. 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 If it starts to get hard, like
If this one got hard, I mean, this one's hard, and this one's hard now.
no, that one's soft. That one's definitely soft.
No, you could add more, and they could get super duper soft.
Ew, you spit it all over me.
You mean I snotted all over you?
No.
Yes.
Oh no. I have an actual one.
What do you mean an actual one?
Okay, just one away. Wait, no.
Haley, is Mom gonna get mad at us for this? Is Mom gonna get mad at us for this?
No.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get in trouble for this. Kaylee, Cameron's sleeping. Baby, I've been loving is the sea. I don't know the words.
Ew.
Dreaming about the things.
Do you guys think she's a good singer? I know.
I wasn't even
At
trying
my
my
talent
best.
show, I'm gonna be singing Silent Night. Silent Night.
Sing it your best singing on the camera.
Okay. Silent Night. Oh, she's laughing at me.
It was so funny.
I just threw the thing and it landed in the pot.
The
Ready?
pot. Okay, do your best singing. I'll try not to laugh.
I want to see your best singing.
I'm just kidding.
So we were playing house, and I was acting like I was the mom, and then she was the ding dong kid who wouldn't listen. And then I accidentally smacked her across the face. I did it so hard. Can we do a replay on it?
Yeah.
Ready? I was like this. No, wait, that wasn't hard. Like I did it.
Add it in slow mo.
Ooh.
Oh, Kaylee.
I'm sorry.
I called you Kaylee again. Okay.
She has lotion on her face.
Yeah, because you smacked me. Okay, sing your best singing.
And then I want to hear your best singing.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try not to laugh.
Okay.
No, I'm doing this again.
Oh my god.
Oh, a dead spider in here.
I know there wasn't a spider in there, or else you would have screamed. You're scared of spiders. I know.
Ready? So the day that she came back from school, I had to go to the bathroom and she was going, oh yeah, and she opened up the door when I was pooping. I was like, and the second time I was like, I had the cabinet open. No, third time I had the cabinet open and I got lotion. I was like, you better come get me. I'll squirt this all over you.
Silent night. Oh, that's not even my best singing, so ha ha ha.
Ready? Don't laugh at me or else we're not going to post this.
I wasn't even laughing at you for the first time.
We're not posting it.
God, either you're gonna make snot come out of my nose. Oh, Kylie. Sweetheart. Okay, I'll sing my best singing.
It's like
Keely.
You called me Keely again.
I said, oh yeah, I did.
Okay, so this was hard, and then now, baby, look at it. Okay, so that's all for today.
No, it isn't.
So we're gonna do a slime reveal.
A Play-Doh reveal.
Oh.
In 3, 2, 1. She's gonna reveal hers because I don't want to.
Okay, so my first one. It's this like brown one. It was hard at first, but I put a little bit more lotion in it, and now it's just like really good. Like a stretch.
Keely, you're getting your hair in my Play-Doh.
It's like that stretchy. So that was it for. I got yellow. I got yellow.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do our best singing, and we're gonna try so
in the next
hard.
video. In the
We're-
next video.
Yeah, in the next video, we're gonna try so hard not to laugh.
And then in the video after that, we're gonna do a tour minute. And then
No, we're gonna
it's
show.
this yellowish whitish one.
No, at our.
It's that. Hold on. What?
Still rolling.
Can you pause it?
No.
You're next to it. Why?
Okay, guys. Well, we're back. We're gonna do a reveal of our house, but I'm not gonna show my room.
Her room's private. She's not allowed to.
Well, I am. I just don't like to, cause I have.
Oh, now her older sister moved out. So.
Yeah. So we turn that into our playroom. Our younger brother's is the full pass by the parents.
Okay, so my next one is this purple one,
Okay, guys. Well, we've.
and then this one.
Whenever
this
she's
other
done, we
purple.
gotta go because
And then
it's
this
going
navy
on.
blue.
It's going to be
And
on
this
20
pink.
minutes. All right. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.